welcome today to our channel, that is Pearl Solutions. Good. This morning we want to learn something in Microsoft Excel. We all know that Microsoft Excel is a very important program in the field, most especially like if you want to do calculations, entering quite so many things. So you must learn some few skills in Microsoft Excel. So as Pearl Solutions, today we want to show you some key things. You're going to learn about Microsoft Excel. And remember, as you watch this, remember after this, subscribe to our channel, that is Pearl Solutions, for you to get more updates. We are destined to serve. Straight away, let's go to open our program. It depends. This is Windows 10. Usually, for you to get Microsoft Office, you have to go to Windows. Of course, this is Start tab. Some computers is what they call Start. This one, you come to this. Then you can either go to All Apps. Then you can go to Microsoft. Suppose you scroll and you see Microsoft Office is here. You'll find all the Microsoft programs here, but our interest is Microsoft Excel. So you click on it, it opens. So I want us to learn how you can simply have two things added. For example, you want to say something which auto populates or auto counts something that you are doing. For example, you have your shop, like salt. You're selling salt, sugar. Sorry about that. Sugar, and maybe like that. So maybe you want something to be showing here at the end of the day, total day sales. Let me zoom this a bit so that you are able to see. Well, for you to zoom, you come and click on this. So at the end of the day, like sold, maybe you sold in Uganda currency, like 1,800 shillings, and the sugar you sell at like 4,000 kilograms. So you need a formula which automatically populates, automatically totals it at the end of the day. So what you do, you say is equals to, when you click on that, then you come to, you click on this, or either you can say C, look at this, this is C, and look at this, C4 plus B4. That is what you can do. So you can say C4. You see, it highlights this area. So then you say plus B4. When you finish that, you press enter. You see, it gives you the total. So you cannot do that for all the columns you're going to do, but you can just decide to apply this to all these areas so that you keep on entering those things and it will be totally populating it. So you can come and say, see this, I put in a formula there. What you do, you come to this corner, see when it changes to plus, you press, then you scroll down. You realize that all this area will be having that formula. For example, maybe this is today you sold at 3,000, or we can say quantity. Okay. Then you can say today 3,000. See, this one is sold at 4,000. See that? Or for example, like there can be many things. You may even decide to have totally, because you need to be selling 1 kilo every day, and you cannot keep on entering 1 kilo, 1 kilo, 1 kilo every time. So you can as well have the quantity total multiplied by the amount being sold. So for example, each item will have its quantity. For you to insert another, you can come and click on this, then you right click and say insert. So now, for example, that is sugar. So you can say here date. Then you say maybe on the 12th, for example, use today's date, 21st May 2020. You sold 5 kgs of sugar and maybe 2 kgs of what? Okay, sugar, then the other one is of salt. So, and yet you need this total here. So what you're going to do is this. You say it's equals to the quantity of sugar times, of course this is B4, this is B4, remember, times the sugar itself, which is C4, together, plus the quantity of what? Of salt, sugar, the other one of salt, which is B4, times the quantity, the sugar itself, which is E4. You see that? After that, you press enter. It will tell you exactly what you sold that day. Then you can apply this formula to all these areas. So as you continue doing your entries on daily basis, for example, on the 22nd, you had the 2 kilograms of this and maybe 1 kg of sugar. The other day you had the 5, okay, let me say 10, you sold salt, 10 salts, and at 5,000. And of course, sugar, maybe you sold 6 kgs at 4,000. You see, as you continue, you can decide how your app, whatever here, for a general total, for as in like for a month. You can decide to say it's equals to, or you can say it's equals to sum. You click on sum of all this. You just, what you do, you just click and drag down all this. See, it will keep on totaling up here, and you can drop the text and put it at the center. You can decide to manipulate it, put it bold, make it bigger, change the color. Of course, you can put it in currency, like say Uganda shillings. Some of this in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you all actually what you can do with some of this. This is Uganda shillings. See, and you may remove the decimal places. So you realize this works like this. You can match this and say monthly. Says here you're good to go. You realize you can decide to format your table, put all borders. See, as your work is moving smoothly and nicely. All this, see, you form your very good table. This, you can use this for comments. Comments. Just that, and you make your database for the business. Because you have to remember to save. To save, you go to File and Save As. Give your name and probably put in the desktop or whatever file you want, like my business database. That is simple, something you can do. Then you click save. Thank you so much for listening today. Remember to subscribe to our channel, that is Pearl Solutions. We shall be keeping you posted with many